Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Postman with vCenter. From getting a session ID to listing and powering VMs on and off. Let's get started. This is my vCenter server and we'll use it for all API calls. Head over to postman.com and download the desktop app based on your operating system. Once the download is complete, install Postman on your computer. After installing, either create a free account or log in if you already have one. In this video, I'll walk you through creating a new account. Enter your email, username, and password. Click Create Free Account and complete the email verification process. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the Postman dashboard. First, click the plus icon next to Collections and choose Blank Collection. Name it something like vCenter API Test. This is just for organization. Feel free to use any name. Next, click the three dots on the collection you just created and select Add Request. Rename the request. Now, configure the request. Set the method to post. Use the following URL and replace your vCenter address. Under the Authorization tab, set the type to Basic Authentication. Enter your vCenter single sign-on username and password. Click Send, and you should receive a response with your session ID. If you see an unauthorized error or SSL certificate issues, you can disable SSL verification under Settings Certificate. Now you've successfully authenticated and have your session ID. You can use this to manage your vCenter from Postman. Let's retrieve the list of VMs. Create a new request and name it Get VM List. Use this endpoint. Go to the Headers tab, click Add, and enter the key as VMware API Session ID. For the value, paste the session ID you received earlier. Postman sends REST API calls to vCenter, and the session ID acts like your security key. With it, you can securely access various endpoints. Click Send, and you'll receive a list of all VMs, including their ID, name, power state, CPU, and memory. Now we will power off these VMs using Postman. First, copy the VM ID. Create a new request and name it Power Off VM. Set the method to post. Use this URL format and replace VM ID with your actual VM ID. I will select the app2 server for testing. Copy the VM ID of the app2 server. Go to the Headers tab, click Add, and enter the key as VMware AP Session ID. For the value, paste the session ID you received earlier. Click Send, and the specified VM will power off. Now you can simply edit the end of the URL with Start. The VM will power on. That's it. We used Postman to control vCenter, Session ID, VM list, power off, and power on. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech content.